Hi friends, in this video I am going to discuss about Nakshatras. Okay, so which are the bullish nakshatra, bearish nakshatra? You already learned that. But all these 27 nakshatra, if there are bullish nakshatra, particular day, some days market will not be bullish. But at that time market might go down. So even though nakshatra was bullish, why market went down? So this is the question we normally ask. So again, we are getting into a detailed analysis and study of the nakshatras using now tithis. Okay, so let me share you the screen before I start this nakshatra and tithi. What I will do, I want to take you to a very important thing, that is, see, I have made a book also. So in that book I have explained everything about the uh, nakshatras. Okay, now what I will do, I will go to Drikpacha. Okay, first understand what exactly, how to do the back testing. Okay, first understand that, then we'll go into detail analysis. Now you see, today is Shravana. Okay, so Shravana, Krishna Paksha. So there is a Krishna Paksha and Shukla Paksha. What is Shukla Paksha? I have already explained in earlier classes. Once again, I will repeat it. So Krishna Paksha is nothing but after Purnima, after the full moon. When moon started becoming slowly darker, we call it as Krishna Paksha. Once the Amavasya complete, that is new moon completes, then the slowly moon will get becoming brighter. That is called Krishna Paksha. Okay, so 15 days Krishna Paksha, 15 days Shukla Paksha. In between there will be tithis. Okay, so how to check that? So you need to go to Dainik Panchang. Okay, so once you go here, so you see Shravana, Krishna Paksha, it is mentioned. Then there is a Tithi called Dvitiya. Okay, so but Shravana will be up to what time? That is very important. Okay, so Shravana, no, sorry, not Shravana. Today Nakshatra is Dhanishta, up to 7:26 p.m. After that, Shatabhisha will come. Okay, so Dvitiya is up to 10:31 p.m. Okay, so like that you need to check. Okay, so this is Tithi, Dvitiya, Tithi, and Nakshatra is Dhanishta. So this is for today. If you go to check for yesterday, okay, then you will get yesterday's data. Like yesterday was Shravana up to 5:43 p.m. But the Tithi was Pratipada. Okay, so this is very important. You need to understand. Okay, otherwise you will not be able to grab this. Okay. So this is how you need to check Shravana, so which is Shukla Paksha, which is uh, Krishna Paksha, and how to check the Nakshatra and how to check the Tithi and what is the time. So now yesterday it was Shravana and Pratipada. So this is very important. Now if I take you to the Excel sheet, okay, let me take this Excel sheet and I will straight away go to Shravana. Okay. Yesterday it was Shravana, Pratipada. This line, this D, is for Shukla Paksha, this is for Krishna Paksha. Shravana was yesterday Krishna Paksha, so it mentioned range bound to up. Pratipada, range bound to up. So same thing happened yesterday. Now today it is Dhanishta and Dvitiya. Okay, so now it says range bound to down. So almost it is range bound only. Now down or up, morning a little bit it went down and it is coming up a little bit. Okay, so might be afternoon, it might go down or it might go up. That is secondary. Okay. But Dvitiya, Dhanishta Nakshatra in Krishna Paksha says like this. So how to understand this? You need to check here. So market view Krishna Paksha, market view Shukla Paksha. So this is what you need to prepare a note for yourself. Okay. So you need to take a note of all the data which I have mentioned here from Nakshatra, that is Ashwini. The lord of the Ashwini is Ketu. Tithi is Pratipada. Okay, so market view, when Pratipada is there, when Ashwini Nakshatra is there, so Shukla Paksha, if it is a Shukla Paksha, then buy on dips. If it is in Krishna Paksha, this is sell on rise. Okay, so this you need to make a note. All these details which I am showing to you, so you make an Excel sheet like this and prepare, because I will not be able to give you this sheet because you need to prepare yourself so that you will get the proper idea and how to use this. So on what basis this has been prepared? This is a traditional Vedic Astro Finance. Okay, so this is not scientifically validated, backtested data set. No such worldwide empirical data set exists at the granularity. So this is just to understand. So you need to do the test and all those things. Okay. So there is no guarantee that whatever I am going to say, this is going to happen. Okay, this is a disclaimer. Nakshatra Lord. Okay, so each nakshatra is ruled by 9 planets in the fixed repeating sequence. Ketu, Venus, Sun, Moon, Mars. You know that already. Tithi classification, Panchanga. Each of the 15 Tithis in Paksha falls into one of the 5 traditional classes. That is Nanda, 1, 6, 11. That is growth, joy, bullish bias. If it is in Bhadra, 2, 7, 12, stability, mild bullish, range bound. Jaya, 3, 8, 13, conflict, duality. Okay, so out of 15 Tithis, Nanda Tithis are number 1, number 6, number 11. Okay. So Bhadra Tithis are 2, 7, 12 numbers. Okay. So stability and bullish Bhadra. Okay. So Jaya means number 3, 8 and 13 are Jaya Tithis. Okay. Which is conflict, duality, volatile, both side. Rikta, that is 4, 9, 14. Void, loss, bearish bias. So these things you need to, if possible, you remember or make a note of every day. Purna Shukla Paksha, then waxing moon carries a mild bullish tilt. Krishna Paksha, waning moon carries a mild bearish tilt. Layered on top of each cell faces is chosen from score combining. But so based on all this calculation, this conclusion came now. Okay. So this is the basic introduction about the nakshatra. So now from Ashwini to Revati. So all those nakshatra, which tithi, bullish, bearish. Okay, so Pratipada is number 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. 15 tithis are there. Okay, so these tithis which are bearish, which are bullish, all is mentioned here. If it is under Shukla Paksha, what is the action? If it is in Krishna Paksha, what is the reaction? So all this action, reaction, you need to make a note and you need to follow this. Okay. So in next video onwards, I am going to explain each and everything. You start making a notes on this. Okay. Thank you.